Okay, we can also use simultaneous equations in real life contexts. And all this is really about is just reading the question and then just creating equations from it. So let's look at this then. It says a builder buys bags of cement and sand to mix into concrete. 4 bags of cement and 6 bags of sand cost £39. 3 bags of cement and 4 bags of sand cost £28. And what we want to do is find the cost of 1 bag of cement and 1 bag of sand. Okay, so we've got two situations. So 4 cements, 6 sands cost £39. So for that, all we want to do is just choose some common sense letters. So we're talking about cement and sand. So I'm going to say that 4 cements plus 6 sands cost £39. Don't worry about any variables, any units just now. The second situation is 3 cements and 4 sands are 28. So say that. So we have 3 cement plus 4 sand is 28. And there you go. It's just now like the examples we've seen in example 5. So find the cost of 1 bag of cement and 1 bag of sand. So let's look at the middle variables. We've got 6 and 4. I'm thinking the lowest common multiple of 6 and 4 is 12. So I'll multiply the top equation by 2 and the bottom equation by 3. Now, you were probably thinking there of making it into 24 because you're probably multiplying 6 and 4. That's fine. That isn't, it's not the lowest common multiple, but it is a common multiple. It just means that you'd have a bigger number to divide at the end. So if you multiplied by 4 and 6, then you'll still get the same answer when you solve to get C. So I will use 2 and 3. So that's going to be, write out the full system again. So we get 8C plus 12S is equal to 78. The bottom equation will be 9C plus 12S is equal to 28 times 3, which is 84. Then I've got same sign, so I'm going to subtract. So one great big sum, so it's 8 take away 9, which is minus 1, so it's minus C is equal to 78 take away 84, which is minus 6. So if minus C equals minus 6, C has to be 6. So when C is equal to 6, into any equation, just choose the top one. So it's going to be 4 times C plus 6 times S equals 39. So it'll be 4 times 6 plus 6S is 39. So 24 plus 6S equals 39. So 39 take away 24 is 15. So 6S is equal to 15. So S is going to be 15 divided by 6, which is 2.5. This question is asking us to find the cost of 1 bag of cement and 1 bag of sand. Now, when you get asked this kind of a context question, you have to make sure that you answer your question in context. It is not enough to say, therefore, C equals 6 and S equals 2.5, because this is asking for the cost. So we would need to say that cement costs £6 and sand costs £2.50. Please make sure you have the 0 in there. You will lose a mark if you say £2.5. Money always has 2 decimal places in it. Okay. Next example. In a quiz, points are awarded for correct answers and deducted for wrong answers. So the red team scores 60 points with 7 correct answers and 2 incorrect answers. The blue team scores 65 points with 8 correct and 3 incorrect. How many points are awarded for each correct and incorrect answer? Okay, so it's a bit clearer what you can see here. For the red team, we can say that there's 7 correct answers plus their 2 incorrect answers. So I'm using C for correct and I for incorrect, gives us 60 points. For the blue team, we have 8 correct plus 3 incorrect is 65. So let's go ahead and solve then. So lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6, so I'll multiply the top by 3, bottom by 2. So that's going to give me, right out of the full system again, 21c plus 6i is equal to 180. Then we have 16c plus 6i is equal to 130. We've got the same sign, so we're going to subtract. So 21 taken away 16 would give me 5, so it's 5c is equal to 50, so c is equal to 10. When c is equal to 10, into any equations, we'll use the top equation, I think. So we'll use 7c plus 2i equals 60. So it'll be 7 times 10 plus 2i is equal to 60. Now I'm going to expect this to be a negative number because it says that you get it deducted for an incorrect answer. So 70 plus 2i equals 60. So 2i is equal to negative 10. So I has to be negative 5. Okay. Again, answer it in terms of the context of the question. We can say, therefore, if c is 10, we can say each correct answer equals 10 points. And each incorrect answer equals minus 5 points. Okay.